Picture this. A few years back, I stood in my kitchen every morning, proudly boiling 2 eggs, convinced I was nailing my health goals. Eggs were the ultimate protein powerhouse, right? Everyone said so. My parents, my friends, even the fitness magazines I flipped through in the 90s. But then, during a routine checkup, my doctor dropped a bombshell. He looked me square in the eyes and asked, "Are you sure you are getting enough protein to keep your muscles strong?" I chuckled. "Doctor, I eat eggs every day." He just shook his head, and what he told me next flipped my world upside down. Eggs, it turns out, only pack about 13 grams of protein per 100 grams, decent, but nowhere near the best. There are foods out there delivering 4, even 5 times that amount, and most people over 60 have no idea they exist. Low protein intake sneaks up on you, silently stealing muscle mass, slowing your steps, weakening your legs, and making falls scarier than they should be. That moment in the doctor's office lit a fire in me to dig deeper, and today I am sharing the top 10 foods that pack more protein than eggs, ranked from number 10 to a mind-blowing number 1 that scientists are studying to help stroke survival, rebuild muscle. Every claim I am about to share is backed by solid research, and I am telling you, some of these will shock you. Before we dive in, drop a quick comment below. Let me know where in the world you are reading from and how your energy's been lately. I read every single one and it's amazing to connect with you all. Right, let's jump into this protein packed journey together. I am not just some health guru preaching from a pedestal. I am someone who's been there cracking eggs and thinking I had it all figured out, only to learn I was missing out on so much more. I know how it feels to want to stay strong, to keep up with grandkids or hike that trail you love, but worry that age is slowing you down. My mom used to say getting older doesn't mean giving up, and she was right. That's why I am so excited to share these foods with you. They are not just about protein, they are about keeping your spark, your strength, your independence. I have tried most of these myself, and let me tell you, the difference in my energy and how I move through my day is night and day. So stick with me, because these are not just foods, they are game changers for everyone over 60 or honestly any age who wants to feel their best. Let's kick things off with number 10, Greek yogurt. Not the sugary fruit filled kind you see in commercials, but the plain, non fat, strained version that's a quite powerhouse. This stuff delivers 10.3 grams of protein per 100 grams, nearly double the 6.3 grams you had get from a boiled eggs. What makes it so special? It's strained 3 times, filtering out liquid whey and lactose, leaving behind a thick creamy yogurt that's packed with protein and easy on your stomach. A 2020 study in Nutrients found that seniors eating at least 20 grams of dairy-based protein daily preserved 25% more muscle mass over 12 weeks, especially when paired with a simple walking routine. That's not just a number, it's real protection against the muscle loss that creeps in with age. I love tossing a handful of berries or a sprinkle of ground flax seeds into a bowl of Greek yogurt for breakfast. It's like a creamy hug for your muscles. You can blend it into a smoothie, wipe it into a savory dip, or use it as a base for a yeasty salad dressing. if you deal with mild lactose sensitivity, this is often gentle enough to handle. Just steer clear of the sweetened version, those sneak in sugar that undoes the good. Moving up to number 9, we have got something you might already have tucked away in your pantry: cooked chickpeas. These little legumes pack 11.2 grams of protein per 100 grams, quietly outshining eggs. But it's not just about protein. Chickpeas bring fiber to the table, something eggs can't touch. That fiber keep your digestion smooth, steadies and blood sugar, and fights inflammation, all of which help your muscles stay strong as you age. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults swapping some animal protein for plant-based ones like chickpeas lost 26% less muscle over time. Why? Lower inflammation and a happier gut. Chickpeas also deliver magnesium, which is crucial for muscle contraction and recovery. Without it, your muscles can cramp, tighten and tire out fast. I soak mine overnight. It makes them softer, easier to digest and unlocks more nutrients. Send them into hummus with a splash of olive oil and lemon. Roast them for a crunchy snack or toss them into a hearty stew. They are versatile, affordable and a total win for your body. Now let's talk about a tiny seed, and that's a protein giant. Number 8, cooked quinoa. This one hits 14 grams of protein per 100 grams, and here's the kicker. It's a complete protein packing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle. That's rare for a plant food. Quinoa also loaded with lysine, an amino acid that boosts muscle repair, calcium uptake, and collagen production. A 2022 nutrition study found that seniors adding quinoa to their meals gained 9% more leg strength in just 8 weeks compared to those eating plain rice. I soak my quinoa overnight to cut down on saponins, which can mess with nutrient absorption, and cook it in bone broth or veggie stock for extra flavor and minerals. Toss in a pinch of turmeric and black pepper for an anti-inflammatory boost. Quinoa perfect in warm grain bowls, mixed into stir fries or even as a savory breakfast with mushrooms and greens. Just 3/4 of a cup a day can make your muscles feel stronger and your energy steadier. At number 7, we have got a protein source athletes swear by, but most folks over 60 overlook: pumpkin seeds. These tiny powerhouses deliver 19 grams of protein per 100 grams, almost double what eggs offer. They are also packed with magnesium, iron and zinc, 3 minerals many of us start to lack as we age. Magnesium prevents cramps, iron fuels your muscle with oxygen, and zinc, 3 minerals many of us start to lack as we age. Magnesium prevents cramps, iron fuels your muscle with oxygen, and zinc rebuilds tissues. A Journal of Medical Food study showed that eating pumpkin seeds daily slashed muscle inflammation by 38% in seniors over 12 weeks. That's not just maintaining muscles, it's fighting back against the chronic inflammation that's eaten away. I stick to raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds to keep things clean. Sprinkle them over yogurt, blend them into smoothie, or grind them into a creamy seed butter. They are nutty, satisfying, and so easy to add to your day. Number 6 brings us to tempeh, a fermented soy food that's a protein based at 20 grams per 100 grams. Unlike tofu, tempeh made from whole soybeans fermented to make it easier to digest and unlock extra nutrients. It's a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, which jumpstarts muscle growth, crucial as your body gets pickier about protein after 60. Tempeh's probiotics also support gut health, which directly affects how well you absorb protein. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors with healthier gut microbiomes held on to 18% more muscle mass over a year. I love slicing tempeh thin and pan searing it with tamari or apple cider vinegar for a savory kick. Crumble it into stir fries, layer it in sandwiches, or toss it over salads. Its nutty, meaty texture makes it a fantastic swap for meat in any dish. Halfway there, and number 5 is a real showstopper, spirulina. This blue-green algae packs a staggering 29 grams of protein per 100 grams, triple what eggs provide. Up to 85% of that protein is bioavailable, meaning your muscles can use it easily. Spirulina, complete protein with a hefty dose of leucine, and it fights inflammation with a compound called phycocyanin. A 2022 nutrients study showed it lowered C-reactive protein, a key inflammation marker, by 32% while boosting blood flow. To help muscle heal faster, I add a teaspoon to my morning smoothie with banana and spinach, or stir it into oatmeal. You can even mix it into energy balls with dates and nut butter. A little goes a long way. Just a teaspoon daily can boost strength and energy and weight. Number 4 is hemp seeds, delivering 35 grams of protein per 100 grams with a perfect amino acid profile. Our 2021 Frontiers in Nutrition review found that seniors eating complete plant proteins like hemp had better muscle retention and less fatigue. Hemp's also rich in omega-3s and GLA, which supports joints, reduce inflammation, and boost heart health. I sprinkle them raw or veggies or oatmeal. The soft, nutty flavor is so easy to love. Just don't cook them on high heat. It can damage their delicate oils. At number 3, we have got seitan, or wheat meat, with 39 grams of protein per 100 grams, matching top cuts of meat without the fat or inflammation. Made from vital wheat gluten, it's easy to digest, perfect for aging stomachs. 2022 Clinical Nutrition ESPN study showed seniors eating plant-based protein isolates like seitan kept 21% more muscle. Slice it for stir fries, grill it with marinade, or pair it with vitamin C rich veggies like kale to boost iron absorption. Its chewy, gritty texture is a crowd pleaser. Number 2 is parmesan cheese, packing 42 grams of protein per 100 grams, aged for up to 36 months. Its protein are pre-broken down, making them 30% easier to absorb. Per a 2019 nutrition study, it's also loaded with leucine to spark muscle growth. Grate it over roasted veggies or omelette. Just a few tablespoons do the trick. Its rich flavor boosts appetite, which can be a game changer if you are struggling to eat enough. And now the number 1 protein source most people over 60 have never tried: dried fish powder, made from dehydrated lean fish like cod. It delivers a jaw-dropping 63 grams of protein per 100 grams, twice what eggs offer. A 2020 Clinical Nutrition study showed seniors using dried cod powder gained 19% more muscles in 10 weeks. No gym required. It's packed with leucine and absorb fast, making it ideal for muscle repair. Blend it into soups, stews, or savory oatmeal. It's easy to store, doesn't spoil, and is perfect for those with chewing or swallowing. Choose a food grade, no salt version. These foods are not just about protein, they are about staying strong, moving freely, and living life on your terms. Whether it's chickpeas in your stew or a sprinkle of fish powder in your soup, one small change can make a big difference. So, which one will you try first? Drop a comment and let me know. I am excited to hear your story. If this inspired you, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. You can even support us with a small coffee via the thanks icon below. Saying strong after 60 is not luck, it's a choice, and you are already making it.